And here we go for the trifecta. Welcome to the replay if you're watching. My goodness gracious, this is crazy town. We're going to delete that off my page because, well, we're going to delete that one. Oh, no, we're not going to delete that one. We're going to delete this one because it didn't work. Let's try again. Now I should be live. Let's go to this. There we go. Again. Sorry. I figured it out though. Guys, I totally figured it out. I know what I did. So, hi Teresa, hi Johnny, hi Christina. Thanks for coming back. So sorry. I figured it out now though. So there might be, okay, so buffering, can't help that. That's because we're in the camper. But I did figure out why it was stopping. And it's because I didn't realize there was a storage button on Switcher. Well, now I know. It was recording my prior videos and like keeping them. And I couldn't understand why it was telling me it was out of storage. So let's try this again. While I'm getting this little sponge ready, I'm going to throw a little something up here so that way you guys can see what I did, what I use, what is Chalk Couture all about. Hi, Kaylee, again. Thanks for coming back. I figured it out. Yay. Oh, hubby, I was having some problems. I know. I was having some of my own little issues here. But we got it. We got it. We got it. And I see that we're coming back. I think everybody had time to read. So there we go. Now, as I was saying, before it rudely cut off on me, I see some ghosting on my board, so I'm going to use my board eraser, and I'm going to come in, and I am going to remove this, the ghosting, with our awesome new board erasers. And I haven't had a chance, look at that, it took that excess off. How cool is that? All I did was wet it. How fun. So now let's try it. Hey babe, can you do me a quick favor? Can you plug in my dryer here to the back? Thank you, thank you. Look at that, all gone. No more ghosting. So I didn't get a chance to use our little brushes yet, or our little sponges yet, so I'm pretty psyched. So, hi Chelsea. We have Kaylee and Chelsea. So, if you are not a Chalk Couture designer already, and I already said this, but you're going to hear it again. I'd love it if you'd share my video. Bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. I'd love it if you'd share. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put the transfer down. Now, as you read, our transfers are silkscreen reusable transfers. They're adhesive backed. We want to make sure that we notate the back of the carrier sheet with what the transfer itself is. Now, I'm doing the marbling effect. This was the one that cut out on me yesterday and then cut out on me about 10 minutes ago. But we figured it out. Delete the storage, Jess. So, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and I'm going to try my best to line this up. Now I've already buzzed this up because I've already used this transfer. So it's already nice and buzzed. What I want to make sure of is that I have no bumps in my silkscreen area or any little stickies in the area, which I feel like I got rid of. So we're golden. Okay, so now let's go ahead and create. Let's do, I did just feel something. Where did I feel? Okay, that's okay right there. I did just, hi Claudia, thanks for coming back. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a technique called marbling. Now, what is marbling? So, marbling is when we take 2 or 3 colors, 4 colors, you can do as many as you want, and we're going to add them all together to give a multicolor effect, okay? So, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start off, and the way I had this was I did In All Things Give Thanks in our Currant Jam, and then the Green Envy, the Orange Peel, and the Bumblebee, these 3, are going to be the ones that I'm going to marble, but I'm going to be using a hint of the Currant Jam to take a little bit of the Currant Jam in, okay? So let's get this going. We're not cutting out again. It's not happening. I have a team meeting at 12 o'clock, so I need to make this happen. I can't let my girls down. Okay, so got my colors all open, all stirred up. I had already done this prior, so we'll pretend we stirred them up. All of the chalk paste are in a nice yogurt-like consistency. So I'm going to use the multi-tool though, because I did not mix up my Currant Jam, and I want to make sure it's perfect for use. And it is. Get all that excess off. Now I'm going to come in and I'm going to get started. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my squeegee and I'm going to pull it over my words. I'm using this to go over the "In all things give thanks." And then I will marble the leaves with the different colors. Hopefully you're seeing it all. Okay, it looks good. If you guys are commenting, I will check that out in just a sec. I am just wanting to get this all on so that way we can move on to marble. And it's so easy, guys. It's like seriously the easiest technique that we have. And it's probably looks the coolest if you ask me. Now I'm not going to take all the color off, just a second, okay? So now let me get my little stirry sticks. Now the reason why I use the stirry sticks is because it is easier to just get a little bit out. You could totally use our multi-tool. I'm not going to use that right now just because, for the sake of time, because I want to make sure that I'm moving pretty quickly. Now you want to make sure that you don't touch the other colors that are down, because we want to be able to put this away. Now keep in mind with marbling, you're going to have some waste because you obviously can't put your excess back into your container, because otherwise you're gonna say what's the word I'm looking for? You're gonna not distort the color, but you're gonna taint the color, I guess will be it. And we obviously don't want that to occur. So just be careful with that. Now I'm gonna use the Currant Jam that I had on my squeegee. And I'm just going to pull this color all over. Cover up everything. And like I said, keeping in mind, we are going to have some excess that is going to be waste. And that's okay. It really is. It's totally fine to have some waste. We just want to kind of keep an eye on how much waste we have. Okay? So now I'm going to come back to all that excess Currant Jam that I have on what I did with my words. I'm going to take that off. Now that's okay to put back in because it's not mixed with another color. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to peel this off. And we have a gorgeous marbled project. And we're still recording. All right. Yay. That's a big thing, because this is where we kept ending the last few days. When I tried to do this. So do you see how pretty that is? Let me hold it up. See how gorgeous those colors look all marbled together? Isn't it so pretty? Hi, Denise. Thanks for joining. Isn't that gorgeous? In all things, give thanks. Now, come in. We're going to close up all our containers. We don't want our chalk paste to dry out. Where is my lid that I took off for this? Here we go. So the colors I used again were Green Envy, Bumblebee, and Orange Peel, and Currant Jam. These colors are all so pretty together, and they scream fall to me, and I love that. And I'm beyond messy right now. Big surprise. Big surprise. Okay, so I used our amazing new 10-inch boutique board, 10-inch round boutique board, and it's a perfect size for this. It really is. You can hang it right on your door. You could put it in the middle of like a Thanksgiving centerpiece. You could do tons with this. You can make it in like spring-like colors or summer colors and redo it all the time. And always remember that in all things, give thanks. It's perfect. I also used the sponge to help take away my ghosting, which worked perfect. It even took that excess color that I didn't even realize was still on there off, which is really cool. So that's it. That's really all. Let's go ahead and just get this dry so that way we can rub our hands over it and you guys can see the cool part about Chalk Couture if you've never watched me. And if you never have, thanks for joining. And then to my lovely friends who always come in and support and watch, thank you for supporting me. I appreciate it. Also, if you're not a designer, I'd love it if you'd share my video. Bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. And I'm really excited that my picture-in-picture is working now, so I'm able to be on my business page again. So I love that. So if you haven't already followed my fan page here, Chalk Couture with Jessica Wilson, I'd love it if you'd follow me and become a fan. That would be awesome. So we're all good here. Oh boy. We're stacking and that's never good. Okay, so let's see. Look at this. Rubbing my hands all over and it's not coming off. Hooray, I love that. So while you watch this, if you had decided that, you know what, I love this, and I'm not currently working with a Chalk Couture designer, this is the first time I've seen it. I think it's the coolest stuff, and I'd love to get my hands on some things. I'd love it if you comment me down below. Once you comment me, I'll message you the link to my VIP group. I'd love for you to become a part of my VIP group. I have specials. I have constant content. There's always something going on in there. You can go back and find all of my prior projects for the past year. Also, if you watch this and you said, you know what, I would love to do this. I could see myself doing this. I could see myself doing sipping chalks. I could see myself doing projects all the time. I want to make projects for me and my family and get a great discount, or I want to make projects and sell them at crash shows. You can do it all. There's so much you can do with this company. So if you want, all you need to do is comment join down below and I'll happily message you the link to my opportunity group where you can find out everything you need to know about Chalk Couture and joining my team. So that is that. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Thanks for hanging in there and coming back with me. Got everything all figured out. I'm learning. See, like, we still all learn every day. That's like the thing to know. You're always learning. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will be back tomorrow with another project. Bye.